The top 4 reasons to lease your next truck scale. Reason number 1, low monthly payments. This is the number 1 reason why leasing is such a popular financing alternative. Longer terms and attractive rates lead to a payment that fits easily into your monthly budget. Reason number 2, 100% financing. Leasing provides financing of 100% of the equipment, including costs like sales tax, maintenance, and extended warranties. There is no need to tie up valuable working capital, allowing you to use your cash for more profitable opportunities. Reason number 3, flexibility. Leasing, unlike traditional bank lending, provides flexibility with features like variable structuring options that match your lease payments to the seasonality of your income. And in many cases, they also remove traditional bank lending requirements, such as minimum bank balance requirements and ownership restrictions. Reason number 4, save on taxes. Since lease payments can be set up as a direct operating expense, they are paid from pre-tax dollars versus after-tax profits. This provides faster write-offs, freeing up more cash more quickly. Visit CentralCarolinaScale.com and contact the Truck Scale sales team for more information.